Hey, are you looking at solo ad traffic to build and grow your business online? Maybe you've tried solo ad traffic in the past and maybe you're not getting the kind of results that you want, and you're looking on Udimi, you're looking at TrafficZest, you're looking at Traffic for Me and all other traffic websites like that. But those are the three most common. And if you've been trying to get traffic to your funnels, and let's say you're part of a network marketing or affiliate marketing opportunity, and you've been trying to get traffic to those funnels and having little to no results, it's because you're not branding yourself. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Gionta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to actually show you how I actually brand myself and how it actually makes a difference for your business, having a custom branded funnel, having something that actually helps you to brand yourself and put yourself in the mix. A lot of times when people come to me for paid traffic, they're using the system funnels. They're using the funnels that top producers create for them. And basically they're sending all their traffic to these funnels. And so basically nobody is seeing them. So if you're somebody in a company that sends traffic, all your traffic to the funnels that the system has for you, you're not actually being seen. You're nowhere in the mix. And here's what I do to be able to be seen. I have a custom branded solution right here, and you can find this page by clicking on the link below this video, and it will take you to this page. You can actually opt in, and when you opt in, you're going to get on my email list and learn how I went from zero to making my first 100K online. Now, I'm not saying that you can do that, but I'm letting you know if you want to increase your results with solo ad traffic, there's going to be some skills that you have to learn. You're not going to be able to build your business 100% on solo ads. Solo ads should be a strategy that you use to build and grow your email list in addition to your other marketing strategies. If people are telling you you could just send traffic to a funnel and send traffic to any funnel and get the results that you want, they're probably lying to you, right? I tend to help people get as high as 85% opt-in rate on paid traffic, and that's because I help them with their funnels. So I use this funnel builder tool. This funnel builder tool is $25 per month, and it gives you a $20 per month in residual income for anybody who uses it. It's very good. We show you how to actually do marketing the right way. So we show you how to write emails. We show you how to tell stories in your emails. We show you how to rank your videos in the search engines, which is how you see my videos. We show you how to create videos. We show you how to connect with people on Facebook. And I'm going to show you some of my results right now because you can get results like this, and I'm not guaranteeing it, but what I could say to you is that average affiliates make $347 if they're using this tool plus the coaching that we have. And here's some of the results that I've had for today. Here's the 21st, 428, 80 cents, 100 right here, 160, $8, 28, 120, and it just keeps going, right? And you can have very nice weeks online, and we pay out every single week on Thursdays, right? If you're using the tools and the coaching, then you're going to be able to get the support that you need. I built my entire traffic store off here, profitbuilderstraffic.com. So if you would like high quality traffic and you want to work with me long term, you want to use a funnel builder tools, I can actually help you with your funnels if you get the funnel builder tool that I use, and it's going to save you a whole hell of a lot of money compared to the other funnel builder tools out there, and it's very high quality. I have my entire traffic store built off of this $25 funnel builder tool, and it's an e-commerce store. It's an e-commerce store. It's not just a website. It's an actual e-commerce store that shows my stats, that shows every time somebody buys a traffic package from me, that shows exactly where the lead is coming from. So I know when somebody comes from Facebook, YouTube. I know when they come from paid traffic. I know where they come from. I know where every single lead comes from. So if you're looking to build and grow your business online, this is just going to add $128 per month per sign up. onto your residual income. So it's going to be a lot higher than anything that you're probably doing right now because it's residual income and it's $128 per month per sign up because we have the funnel builder tool and we have coaching. You have 2 weeks free of coaching when you sign up to work with me. So if you're interested in doing that, you can do that, and you also get a discount on my traffic, and you get some bonus traffic as well. So if you're interested in getting free traffic, uh, reach out to me if you're interested in working with me because I'm very happy to help you, very happy to give you the funnel system that converts up to 85% opt-in rate, which if you go down to my testimonials right here, you can see my highest opt-in rate to date is 90% opt-in rate. And I have plenty of other testimonials right here, so you can take a look at these for yourself. And these are real people, real results. Richard Hairston, he's a pretty good marketer. He's the one that had these results. He does YouTube videos. If you reach out to him, he'll tell you that he got these stats. So there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. And if you have any questions, then you could leave your question down here, and I will reach out to you if you leave it down here. And you could reach out to me on Facebook too. I am Facebook verified. My Facebook page is below. I have a Facebook group, so if you get into my free Facebook group, I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And you could also get to my Facebook page that way as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I will answer them. Make sure you check out this traffic store if you want to get traffic as well. And if you need anything else, just reach out. I'm here for you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.